As someone who frequently takes on home improvement projects, I know how hard it can be to find the right tools. I bought and tested these airless paint sprayers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that promise efficiency and quality. Product number 1. Weaver 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Using the Weaver 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer was a game changer for my recent home renovation. This beast packs a powerful 750-watt motor that pumps out up to 3,000 psi, making it incredibly efficient for large areas. I remember the first time I used it, what would have taken me days with a paintbrush was done in mere hours. The even coverage and fine atomization tech meant I didn't have to worry about drips or missed spots. One of the things that struck me was how user-friendly it is. The detachable pump body really simplifies cleaning, which is often a tedious task with paint sprayers. The extension pole was a lifesaver for reaching those high ceilings without needing a ladder. While it can be a bit heavy at 19.62 pounds, the sturdy build reassured me of its durability. Pros include its high efficiency, uniform painting effect, and ease of use. On the flip side, some might find the weight a tad cumbersome for longer jobs, but honestly, when you consider the time saved, it's a worthy trade-off. If you're looking for a reliable sprayer that can handle medium to large tasks easily, I highly recommend the Weaver 750W. It's made for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals needing a robust tool without breaking the bank. Product number 2. Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus. The Graco Magnum 257025 Project Painter Plus is truly a versatile tool. As I set it up for my backyard fence project, I was impressed by how lightweight it felt at just 13 pounds. This sprayer is perfect for DIYers, allowing me to tackle a significant project without the hassle of traditional brushes and rollers. I was able to spray directly from a 5-gallon bucket thanks to its flexible suction tube, which saved me a ton of time. One of the standout features is the fully adjustable pressure control. It allowed me to adjust the spray according to the thickness of the paint, ensuring that every coat was smooth and consistent. I also appreciated the ability to use up to 50 feet of paint hose, which let me reach those hard-to-access areas without losing performance. Pros include its American-made quality, easy setup, and excellent control over paint application. However, it may not be the best fit for smaller jobs, as its design is geared toward larger projects. If you want a reliable sprayer that can handle substantial tasks with ease, the Graco Magnum is definitely worth considering. It combines efficiency with ease of use, making it a staple in my toolbox. Product number 3. Vavcura Paint Sprayer. I recently tried the Vavcura paint sprayer and I was pleasantly surprised. This sprayer boasts a powerful 1,000-watt motor and a 1,400 milliliter container, which means less time refilling and more time painting. I found it incredibly efficient, covering an area of about 45 square meters in just 15 minutes. The 6 brass nozzles allowed me to switch between different spray patterns and adjust the flow rate, which was perfect for my detailed furniture projects. The build quality was impressive too. The design features an anti-clog mechanism, which I found particularly useful when I was working with thicker paints. Cleanup was straightforward thanks to the detachable parts and included cleaning accessories. The built-in LED light was a thoughtful addition, especially when tackling projects in dimly lit spaces. Pros include its powerful motor, versatility, and ease of cleaning. However, it may not be ideal for larger projects due to its smaller tank size. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that performs well and offers flexibility, the Vavcura paint sprayer is a solid choice for both novices and experienced DIYers alike. Product number 4. Guyfand Airless Paint Sprayer Gun Kit. I got my hands on the Guyfand 22-piece Airless Paint Sprayer Gun Kit, and I was impressed by the comprehensive package it offers. With everything from a 50-foot high-pressure hose to 6 reversible spray tips, this kit is designed for serious painters. I was particularly drawn to the ease of installation. Simply connecting the parts was a breeze, and I was ready to go in no time. The versatility of this kit is a significant plus. It can adapt to most airless paint sprayers, and the various nozzles mean you can handle everything from detailed touch-ups to larger surfaces. While using it for a fence project, I appreciated how the nozzle seat and filters worked together to prevent clogs, allowing for smooth operation. Pros include the extensive accessory set and the durable materials used in construction. On the downside, it may require a bit of a learning curve for beginners. If you're serious about painting and need a kit that covers all bases, the Geifent Sprayer Gun Kit is an excellent investment. It offers everything you need for professional results, whether you're a hobbyist or a pro.
Product number 5 is the Luter Ignite HVLP Spray Gun. The Luter Ignite HVLP Spray Gun is another fantastic addition to my collection. Powered by a robust 1,000-watt motor, it delivers a consistent high-pressure airflow that atomizes paint beautifully. Right off the bat, I noticed how quickly it covered large surfaces. It's about 5 times faster than traditional methods like brushes or rollers. The 1,400 ml container meant fewer interruptions for refills, which made my painting projects feel much more fluid. What I loved the most was the adjustable nozzles and spray patterns. Whether I was tackling broad walls or intricate furniture, I could easily switch between settings to achieve the desired finish. The HVLP design minimizes overspray, ensuring I used less paint while getting high-quality results. Pros include its efficiency, ease of cleaning, and versatile applications. One drawback is that it may not be as powerful as some more expensive models, but for the price, it offers great value. If you're looking for a user-friendly sprayer perfect for any DIY project, the Luter Ignite HVLP spray gun is a solid option. It balances speed and efficiency with ease of use, making it a go-to for any homeowner. In wrapping up, I can confidently say that investing in a good airless paint sprayer can save you time and effort while delivering professional results. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, one of these 5 options will surely meet your needs. Happy painting!